welcome back to FMRevu. And I have a mystery item from Amazon. It could be one of two things, or a combination of both. But I'll open it up and let you see what it is. Aha! A surprise indeed. It's both of the items that I ordered. It's my shotgun mic from Takstar that I got for my new camera in order to improve the sound quality on all my videos. And it's the 3.5mm extension just so I can experiment with using this as a mic sitting next to the, well, sitting in front of me rather than on top of the camera, just to have a better sound quality. This is my Takstar shotgun mic and its model SGC-598 recording microphone. And on the front of the box it shows a picture of the microphone on top of a DSLR camera or something similar. It has a layout that gives you the description of what the microphone is, and it has some people here taking pictures. On the side, nothing special. On the bottom it says Takstar, and I'm assuming that's Takstar in whatever the native language is. On the back you've got the model number, recording microphone, a picture of it, and some of the features. And it says high sensitivity condenser microphone, specially designed for cameras. Carotid directivity characteristics can effectively reduce the ambient noise. Optional 10 decibel sensitivity tone up and 200 Hz bass filter meet the demand of different applications. Standard connector size for easy connection with camera. Shock-proof design can render the mechanical noise of cameras and other vibration noises. Powered by a 1.5 volt AA battery. Playtime is up to 100 hours and low power indicator, which is real good. Now, a question for Godzilla. Can you read this? Can you read that? Do you know what that says? Ah, he says it's time for a Coke. You have a nice felt carrying case, which feels really high quality and durable. You have some of the paperwork, owner's manual, and then a nice foam padding. Inside you've got your 1AA battery, some mounting hardware, a foam pop filter, and the Takstar shotgun mic itself. And this is surprisingly heavy. I did not expect this to be as heavy as it feels right here. But you do have the connection here, the 3.5mm connection, and it is a little bit extendable. If you had this mounted on top of the camera, this cable gives you plenty of room to reach wherever it would plug into. You have Takstar, the model number, the on-off switch, your decibel gain up to 10 decibels, and then you have some other type of filter button here. On the bottom you have an area where you can attach this to a camera or possibly a tripod or other type of device to secure this on. Here's the area that you would put your battery, and it slides out. It takes one AA battery. Since I have the battery in, I'll turn around and power on the microphone. On the back of it you have a light indicator that lets you know the battery strength. Green means fully charged, and then red will be low battery. You can see that this is ribbed, and you have your directional microphone. I'll just put the filter over the top of it. Now you have an idea of what it looks like with the filter over the shotgun. The next thing I'll do is I'll open up the extension cable, which really isn't anything. This is a 12-foot male to female 3.5mm extension cable. And you would take the end, connect them together. Now it gives me 12 foot of room to work with in case I was doing some type of interview. I could set this in front of me and I can have my camera 12 feet away, so the sound quality would be the best that it can be. This idea just struck me. I'm going to use the posable tripod that I have for my cell phone and mount the microphone to it. Now I will extend the cable and connect it to the jack on my camera just to give you some sound quality comparisons. I'm going to give you a comparison of the sound quality with the built-in microphone versus the sound quality with the added shotgun microphone. For now, I'll use the camera's built-in microphone as I read some of the instructions that came with the mic. Welcome to use Takstar condenser microphones. SGC-598 is specially designed for cameras, interviews, and other applications. It's a good choice because it can match with any brands of camera and simply fixed on the camera. Now I'll try with the microphone plugged in. Now I have the microphone connected to the camera and it's at arm's reach, which is probably 2.5 to 3 feet. Welcome to use Takstar condenser microphones. SGC-598 is specially designed for camera, interviews, and other applications. It's a good choice because it can match with any brands of camera and simply fixed on the camera. Now I'll read the same thing through the microphone with the 10 decibel increase turned on. Welcome to use Takstar condenser microphones. SGC-598 is specially designed for camera, interviews, and other applications. It's a good choice because it can match with any brands of camera and simply fixed on the camera. As a side note, I chose this microphone because of its sound quality, its price, and because it's very easy to integrate into my camcorder because it does not require any extra power or phantom power. You simply plug it in and it runs off of a battery, and that makes it real easy for me to work with, as well as using the software that I use to edit my videos. Well, right now I'm doing a lot of amateur videos and it's primarily using Windows Movie Maker. This microphone paired with the camera makes video editing very easy for somebody who's new to video editing and who does not have a big working knowledge of Sony Vegas or Adobe After Effects. The biggest advantage of using this is that I do not have to do any type of audio and video sync when I go into my video editing. I can just use the raw video and it includes the audio, and I can do some editing, I can cut some things out, and I can splice some things together, and it really doesn't take a whole lot of effort. Now you have an understanding and an idea of how this microphone will improve the sound quality of your videos. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you can tell a difference in the sound quality of my videos. Carotid directivity. I can't even say that word. Directivity. Okay. I have the microphone connected to my camera and it's at arm's reach from my mouth. I'll read the same. This is hard to do. How does that feel? Is it lightweight? Is it durable? Do you feel like it may fall apart or anything like that? Interesting. Very, very interesting.